Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to work with the conditional operator. So before going to write the programming part, let me show you the syntax. What is a conditional operator and how it will works. The syntax for the conditional operator is, first we need to write logical true is here. If condition, else logical false. This is the syntax. So how it is going to be work means, it will check the condition initially. If this condition evaluates to true, then it will execute logical true. By chance, if this condition evaluates to false, it will execute logical false. First of all, the system will evaluate the condition. If this condition evaluates to true, it will execute logical true. If this condition evaluates to false, it will execute logical false. This is the syntax. Let me show you one beautiful example. So here is the example. Here I'm taking age equal to 25 years. I would like to check whether the candidate is major or minor. The criteria for major is what? Greater than or equal to 21. So print major if age is greater than or equal to 21 years, else print minor. How the system is going to evaluate? First of all, the system will get the value from the variable age. The value of the variable age is 25. Is 25 is greater than 21, condition is true. If this condition evaluates to true, then you will be getting logical true. When I press enter, then you will be getting the result is major. Let me write the same example by changing the age variable is 19. Print major if age is greater than or equal to 21 years, else print minor. In this context, the system is going to evaluate this condition. The value of the variable age is 19. 19 is greater than 21, condition is false. When this condition is false, it will execute else part or logical false. So when I press enter, you'll be getting what? Minor. So let me take one more example like marks. I would like to check whether the student is pass or fail. What is the pass criteria? The pass marks is greater than 34. If the student marks is greater than 34, then we have to print it as a pass. Otherwise, we need to print it as a fail. Simple, print pass if marks greater than 34. Else, then print fail. As simple as this. Now the system is going to get the value from the variable marks. The value of the variable marks is 98. 98 is greater than 34. Condition is true. When this condition true, then you will be getting logical true. The logical true is what, your friend, here, pass. So when I press enter, you will be getting the pass. As simple as this. I hope you guys got the point. Very clear idea about how to work with the conditional operator. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.